They're good.
I'll go with him.
Hey kids, listen up if you want to be sick, cause your dinner looks like something from a Cronenberg flick. Think twice before you cuss and shout. Let me tell you.
I don't really think I will.
Alright, we gotta get
Oh, come on! I'll buy it. Eat it!
Well, do you like green eggs and ham?
I do not like green eggs and ham.
It's state fair time. You can eat anything you wanna. It doesn't count. They're gooey. Do it.
I want to make this perfectly clear. I would not like them housewives here. I would not like them housewives there.
They call to you. Kar-UH. We will give you hips, Kar-UH. Eat us. Where? No, I don't mean hip bones. It's obvious your legs have to join the rest of your body somewhere. They won't renew your license in Minnesota unless you have one.
I don't have a Minnesota license.
Yeah, I know, but you can't keep your Michigan one too much longer.
I do not like green eggs and ham.
A train.
Come on, Kar-UH. Do it. You must have a deep fried Snicker bar. They're good. Do it. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Must eat deep fried candy bar.
No, I think I'd rather have the Milky Way.
No, you need some nuts in it. You gotta break up the ooey. You gotta break up the ooey and the gooey.
Put the camera away. I'm not gonna buy one on camera.
Yes, yes.
To my friend Payne, not in the dark, not up a tree, not on your fine china.
So, what do you think?
It's good.
It's good?
Really good.
Really good? No, I'm just enjoying the way you're hunkering over it. Like an animal who's finally hunted down its prey. You're afraid someone else might get to it if you don't. You raise your guard even to the slightest. Damn! Damn! Look at that! There aren't even chocolatey smudges anywhere. That is impressive. You can always, always, always trust a former fat guy about food. Almost always, anyway. Because if I'm still eating it, it has to really be worth it. See, now you're suffering from classic fried Snicker oversqueeze. It's coming out the bottom.